How to link X account on Binance. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your X, formerly Twitter account to your Binance profile. Connecting your X account can help with verification, enhance security, and make it easier to manage your account. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by launching the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, ensure you're logged into your account. Now, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon to access your account settings. Next, locate your nickname at the top of this menu and tap on it. This will take you to a new page where you'll find several options related to your account. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Twitter X and tap on it. This will bring up a screen explaining the terms and conditions associated with linking your X, formerly Twitter account, to Binance. It's important to take a moment to carefully read through these details, as they outline the permissions and access Binance will have to your X account. Once you've reviewed the information, you'll notice a checkbox at the bottom of the page that states, "I understand, agree, and consent to the terms above." To proceed, tap on this checkbox to confirm your agreement before moving to the next step. Place a check mark next to this statement to confirm that you understand and agree to the terms of linking your X account with Binance. This step is essential as it grants Binance the necessary permissions to connect your account securely. Once you've checked the box, proceed by tapping on the Connect Account button. This will direct you to a new screen where you'll be prompted to log into your X, formerly Twitter account. To continue, tap on the Login button, which will take you to the official X login page. Here, carefully enter your username and password to ensure a successful login. Double-check your credentials before proceeding to avoid any login errors. After logging in successfully, a new screen will appear, requesting your permission to link Binance with your X account. This step is necessary for Binance to access certain details and enable account integration. To finalize the process, tap on the Authorize App button. This will officially grant Binance permission to link your X account, allowing you to seamlessly manage your social account integration within the Binance app. And just like that, you have successfully linked your X, formerly Twitter, account with your Binance account. Now you can seamlessly manage your social connections and enhance your Binance experience with ease. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.